Hey guys, Scott with your reviews today. We're going to be replacing these rear wheels on the Honda HRN 216. As you can see, the old ones are just super worn out and they don't really grip anything anymore. I'll have a link in the description of where to pick these guys up. I thought maybe I could 3D print it, but it has this gear back here and bearing and all that fun stuff. So all we're going to need is a 12 millimeter socket. Take these nuts off and basically just stick them right back on. So let's do it. Like I said, just got our handy dandy ratchet here. Gonna take this nut off. Probably want to put it on top of something. So, took the nut off. Gonna take the wheel right off. It really is as easy as that. Here's the old one. There's a little, the gear back there, the drive gear. Let's go ahead and put this one on. And maybe I'll even put a little bit of grease in there for bonus, but if I can get the thing on there. It really is as easy as that, guys. Super easy, anybody can do it. Nut back on, and that's it. All done. Look at those nice shiny new wheels on there. It took about 2 minutes. Anybody can do it with just the 12 millimeter socket. Thanks for watching.